Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create BMI tracker in Notion. So first thing, I will add one page. Next thing would be I will have to choose database. So in this case, I will choose table, and then in case of no data source, you will have to create a new database. So this table, we will name this BMI tracker. Now this is going to be a simple tracker, so nothing formula etc here, so we will stick with the simplicity. So let's say we choose patient name, right? Or if you are doing this for family, you can just stick with name. Then second field is tags, so I'm going to delete this because I don't need tags here. So patient name, next thing will be BMI score, which is going to be a number, BMI score, right? Then third would be our case for gender, so we will use select. Here I will give it gender, then in option, and we choose others just to avoid the complications, right? Now let's go ahead and choose, let's see, a number again for age field, right? So we have like some of these fields. Finally I will choose the date on which all of this data was tracked. So let's try one example. Let's see 30, and then choose gender, age, and then we will also choose date, right? Then we choose another option, then with age, right? And we will also choose other date. Like this I can come up with various entries within the tracker. If you want, you can also add two more columns for height and weight, and then notes. So let's try and find that. Okay, so if you happen to add that, and if you use this data for further processing, that can be another good option you can use with. But for now you can use this simple tracker for some of the patient within your hospital or your clinic, or even for your home. This should be good enough for tracker, alternative to spreadsheet.